As you see, guys, I already got everything taken apart. This, the shift boot, you know. So this is pretty easy. It's a T30, and then you got these little holes here. One there with a T30, and another one there, and a 19. All right, this is a ground. I don't know what this is for, to be honest, but now I think this thing should come out. I believe so. All right, here we go. She's off. Oh, I gotta do the connectors. Give me a minute. All right, connectors are off. Steering wheel is right here. Oh, I should have put it straight. Well, it is what it is. All right, guys, straightforward, to be honest. So I got my energy hub right here. They give you this for the ground. This just goes literally in here. Like that, basically. This is for this right here. This goes right here, and that goes into this right here. Pretty straightforward. So let me just plug it in. All right, guys, check it out. Check it out. Energy hub is on. Really easy to take off too. As you see, it's all right, guys, it's on. This one does the ding. As you see, it should be on. Yep, it's on. And then this cable, let me just do this. So this cable goes right here. So yeah, so I see how it goes. So this cable goes yellow and then black. And just like that, the shift boot is on. Next is gonna be the shift knob. Once I get home, slap that on, and the steering wheel is all set to go now. Pretty sick, guys. So once I get home, I throw the shifter on, and I'll show you how my perspective would look. Also put the little seatbelt thingies on, but overall, she looks pretty nice. All right, guys, so it is finally done. If I can just, beautiful. So and the horn works, as you see. Wired that up. Shift boot is on. Looks really good. All I'm missing is this carbon fiber piece, which comes in March from I don't know where I got it from, but it's real carbon fiber, and it's pretty much it. Check it out. Looks really good. Pretty happy everything works. For the horn, it was really easy. They gave you well, the company I got, they gave me the two female and male ends, so it was plug and play. But a lot of people don't even run the horn, so I didn't bother including it. But overall, pretty stoked, and I just love how it just comes off. Oh, but yeah. I'm pretty stoked. Steering wheel feels pretty good. Pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace out, y'all.